Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. In XENEA Wallet some new missions added. In this video I will teach you how to complete these missions and earn free gems. So click missions. Here you see a new mission option, click on it. Spur protocol campaign started in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click chance to claim check-in bonus. I got 113 gems. Then here is a quiz in which you gave 10 answers of 10 questions. If you select the correct option, you will get 100 gems on every answer, and if you select incorrect option, you will get only 20 gems. Then if you scroll down, here two more missions added. Spur protocol, follow Spur protocol on X and follow Spur protocol on Telegram. So first you click Spur protocol on X, move back, then you got 500 gems and your X mission completed. Then click on Spur protocol on Telegram, return back, and you see 500 more gems and their second mission also completed. Now I will provide you these quiz answers. Click on start quiz. Question number 1, option is C. Click on it, click on submit. First question correct. Now continue. Here you see second question and total 4 options, and option number 2 is the correct option. Click on it, click on submit. Question 2 also correct. Now click on continue. Here you see question number 3 and option number 4 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Question number 3 also correct. Continue. Now you see question number 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Quiz 4 also correct. Now click continue. Here you see question number 5 and option 1 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. So quiz 5 also correct. Now click continue. Here you see quiz number 6 and option number 4 is the correct option. Click on it, click submit. Now quiz 6 also correct. Then again continue. Here quiz number 7 and option number 4 is the correct option. Click option 4, click on submit. Now quiz number 7 correct. Now continue. Quiz 8, option number B is the right option. Click on it and click submit. Quiz 8 correct. Now continue. Here you see quiz number 9 and option number 3 is the right option. Click on it, click submit. Quiz number 9 also correct. Now click on continue. Here you see quiz number 10, the last quiz, and option number 1 is the correct option. Click on it, click submit, and quiz number 10 also correct. Continue, and you are completed Spur protocol campaign quiz 10 over 10. Cheers, a successful 1000 gems. Click get more. Now you see quiz done. Also both of missions are completed. So hopefully you enjoying this video. Please like and share this video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.